Hey love, so today we're going to do a Tribe beauty box unboxing. If you don't know what Tribe is, it is a bi-monthly beauty subscription. I believe it's $34.99. You get usually 5 to 6 full-size products. I love it. I love it. I'm loving it. I've been really, really pleased with this box. I have not peeked in here yet, so it's going to be a surprise for both of us, which I feel like is much more fun to do a video where I'm surprised with what I see. But yeah, I will try and leave their website link down below. I'm not affiliated. They did send me this box, but I don't have an affiliate link or anything. Before we get into this video, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Let's get into it. First of all, always the box is adorable. The box is so cute. Okay, I always love that this comes with a little sheet that tells me the price of the items in the box so I can tell you exactly the value of the box. Usually it's a really good value, given you pay $34.99, but it's always much more. I can already see some high priced items in this box. So I'm gonna grab the first thing that's on the list, which is on top. How cute is she? How cute is she? I'm gonna get in a little closer because I feel a little bit far away. Okay, so this is a original beauty blender. My hands are stained from swatching a pigment palette. But I love the beauty blender. I love all beauty sponges. I am a fan, not all beauty sponges, that's a lie. I have quite a few favorites. I love the Shop Miss A1, that's $1.55. I love the Revolution one's like $7. I love the Real Techniques, which is like $7. But I do appreciate the OG beauty blender. I love it. I just can never bring myself to buy it. This is the second time in a beauty box lately that I've gotten a beauty blender, so I am now stocked. So this is the Just Chill shade. These retail for 20 bucks, I think, $19.99, $20. So this right here is 20 bucks. That's rad. Right there, $20. Ooh. So this is a Bella Pierre Pro Lip Palette. This retails for $50. I used to be like, I'll never use these until I started doing makeup. So let me open this. Really pretty packaging. It looks like it's going to have a really nice array of colors. So once I started doing makeup at school and stuff, I've completely decided that I think that these are a really cool idea. If you're a makeup artist, I feel like these are great. I don't feel like they're too practical for me on an everyday basis. I'd much rather have like a compact one item tube to like throw in my bag. But this looks really, really beautiful. I'm not going to stick my fingers in it because I am probably going to take it with me to school so I can use it on other people or throw it in a giveaway. I'm not sure, just because I have so many lip palettes at this point. But I feel like there's such a great thing if you're a makeup artist, or if you, this is not compact. Like if you have the room to carry this around, go for it. Or if you're just doing makeup at home and you don't care about touching up, these colors look absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those. Oh, so this looks like a really great palette. I would never spend $50 on this, but I'm excited to use this on other people or use it on myself. But that's a cool thing about this box is you get stuff you normally wouldn't want to spend the money on or you normally wouldn't try. So I do think this is cool, even though it's not my favorite thing. It's like, I feel bad because I love this beauty box so much, but like this is like my least favorite thing to get in a beauty box, but I now have a use for them. And if not, I can always throw it in a giveaway and give it to one of you guys that will love it. It's just a weird thing, but you never know. I change my mind all the time. $50 right there. That's crazy. That's crazy. So we have a powder from The Balm. This is the Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. This guy retails for $20. I really like the packaging on this. I think these are so cute. She's cute. I love how it's like vintage. $20 translucent powder. I'm not going to swatch this for you, but this is what the packaging looks like. That's really cute. I will definitely try this out. I'm always looking for a new powder that's going to keep my nose as matte as possible. So yeah, she's cute. I'm excited because I don't have a lot of the Balm products. So anytime I get one in a beauty box, I'm always really excited to try. So this is cute. This is cute. I'm excited about this. Ooh, this I'm very excited about. This next thing. Look at this. The Balm Manizer Sisters, the Luminizers. Ooh, girl. So Mary Luminizer is in here, which I absolutely, absolutely love. This guy retails for $28. So this is something that I would love to own, but I couldn't justify spending that money right now. So it comes with the bronzer and then the two highlights. This is like a pinky highlight, and this one is like the champagne. If you are fair, you're gonna love this one, the Mary Luminizer. Let me find a brush. I want to put some on. We're gonna go ahead and put some more of this on. I already have a pop and highlight on right now. This is the Cover FX palette, but I just love this. When I don't know why I sniffed it. When I ordered the OG like Mary Luminizer forever ago, it came broken. I still have it. I might get rid of it now because now I have this guy. This looks so pretty. Let me see. I'll swatch the other two. I have stains on my hand, so please don't mind that. But they're the three. I just swatched a pigment palette and it's completely same in my hand. But there's the Mary Luminizer, which now you can see on my face is super glowy, given it's mixed with another highlight. But this is just, I really like the Mary Luminizer, so I'm excited to have this. The bronzer is a little glowy, but we're getting into spring and then summer, so maybe I'll give it a go. I like that it has a mirror. And I like that I could probably use the Cindy Luminizer as a blush, and I love, love, love a glowy blush. So we have a brow pencil. This is in dark ash brown, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to use it right now, but I will definitely hang on to it because your girl is bound to go back. But this is kind of dark for me. I left my toner on too long, and so she's a little extra ashy, but I'm feeling it. And I naturally have really dark brows. So this guy is the Rodial? R-O-D-I-A-L Glam Brow Dark Ash Brown. This retails for $26. I'm hoping it's going to be like a little precise brow pencil. Let's see, because those are my favorite. Oh, yep, she sure is. She sure is. But if I can't use this color, oh no, this is actually good. Since she's ashy, that'll totally work. That'll totally work. Sweet. Now I'm even more excited. So this looks really great. I don't know. I love a brow pencil. I'm always down to use a new one. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's add up the cost of this box real quick. Okay, so we have $20 for the beauty blender, $50 for the lip palette, $20 for the translucent powder, $28 for the Luminizer Sisters, and then $26 for the brow pencil. So that's a $144 value. I'm going to minus the $34.99 and get $109.01 extra value. I love almost everything in this box. The only thing I don't really love is the lip palette, and that's not really their fault. That's just me personally. I don't really use them, but I definitely have a use for it now, and I will put it in. I need to make a kit for once I'm done with school to do makeup on other people, so it will come in use, or I'll give it away. We'll figure it out. All right, loves, I think that is everything. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want more Tribe Beauty Box unboxings or any other beauty box unboxings, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I don't know why I did that, but I love you guys so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. My hair is a mess. My bangs are crazy. Let's get into this. Like, there's some, like, what are words? I'm excited. Did you guys know I'm excited?